Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Editor. So to get to Smart Editor capabilities, you're going to start off by going to Create, scrolling down, and choosing Smart Document. The Smart Document is very similar to a Google Docs or a word processor. However, it's got AI built directly into it, and it's an easy way for you to edit any kind of document, words, or also create a lot of different crafts that you might need. So let's get started. So to get started with our document, I'm just going to show you all of the tools. So up here at this bar, you should see all of the same tools that you would likely see in any word processor, helping you to be able to create all of the different dynamics for your document. Then here, I'm going to go ahead and type in or paste in a piece of a blog post that I started writing from before. You'll see that automatically it'll change the name of this document based off of the content that we've put inside. So that's helpful as well for you to save it that way. If you want to edit that name at any time, you can just click up here and you can edit the title here. Now, down here at the bottom is where we have all of our AI commands for the section. So let's go ahead and highlight everything and then click the command section. And we can start to see, do we want to add an image based off of this information? Do we want to continue writing? Do we want to write a sentence? Write a list of bullet points based off of this? Rephrase, suggest an alternative, make it shorter or longer. You can change the voice to any different type of voice. You can change the tone into a different type of tone. You can then also proofread, simplify the language, improve the writing, summarize this as a text, summarize as a bullet list, and then you can also create a custom action. Now, there's a lot that we can do with this, but I'm going to go ahead and just choose continue writing. So it'll write more than what I have here based off of that same information. And what it's created is an extra paragraph that we can add to this section, and we can either replace everything that's highlighted with this new information here. We can add it after. If we don't like it, we can tell AI to try it again, or we can throw that out. So I'm going to go ahead and add it after, and we'll see it pasted directly after here. What I really like to use this for is if I'm working on a handwritten document and I really want to just shape up my grammar. We can do that as well to make sure we proofread or improve the writing slightly. Now I'm going to show you how we can create an image also directly in Smart Editor at the same time. So you can either add an image that's already in your assets, you can upload an image, you can use a free stock image, or we can craft a new image using the visual designer. Let's craft a new image. So we can go over here, we have our new image section. Over here, we can choose the craft section, either from our assets, craft, stock images, or we can upload. We can ask AI to write us a prompt, or we can just start to write our prompt in there automatically. Then you can also choose your aspect ratio. What size of an image would you like to create? Over here on the other side, we can change our background, our paper that we're working with. We can choose to customize our size if we want to make it for social media, for example, or if we want to make it for an ad, different ad sizes, or if we would like to just add something different, like a presentation or an infographic. All of these are options for you to be able to edit and make your image. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. We don't need an image for this, but I just wanted to show you how simple it is to create an image in any different type of way using the visual designer and bring it straight into your Smart document here. Now, you can use all of the formatting as well, just like any other format. If you need to change the format here, it's easy to do. Underlining, linking directly. If you were to link something here, when you go to copy and paste that elsewhere, that link, hyperlink, is going to stay there into the text. It makes it really easy to edit blogs, for example, and have them uploaded to your website without you having to post-edit on your website. So I hope this is helpful. You can work with Smart Documents to make your life a little bit easier, all directly in Craftify AI. Then, of course, when you want to find your documents later, you'll come over to Craft All Contents, where you'll see all of your crafts. Here, because we worked on these prior, they're going to show up first, but you can always filter and look just for your Smart Documents here, and you'll see all of your Smart Documents that you've created in the past. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.